place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah, I believe it's true. You're wrong.
Hi all, I am iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. So today we have an exciting video. Today's all about this gorgeous number 4 chocolate brown hair from Tinashe Hair. I would love to thank Tinashe Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous bomb unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so let's get into it. Here's their box and their satin bag of goodies. Inside you get a straw comb, alligator clips, a blue bonnet, a nude wig cap, an edge brush, and their 3D mink eyelashes. What I love about Tinashe Hair is that they include all the specs of your unit inside the box. So it is 22 inches long, a body wave style, 13x4 lace front, and it is 200% density. The unit is this gorgeous number 4 chocolate brown color, you all. Do you see this color on camera? Oh my, it is giving. This is giving radiant, perfect for spring, perfect for summer. I am just in love with their chocolate hair, you all. Look at this. Wow. So excited. You have 4 combs inside and 2 adjustable straps. Look at the pretty lace ear to ear. So let's get into installing her.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere whenever we're on the phone, always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah, I believe it's true. You're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheetah, do you feel better now that you've broken my trust? Oh, boy, do you even remember that love is more than just lust? Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah, I believe it's true. You're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I've had enough of you. You're just too much. I'm way too good for you. You're just a bluff. I'm so fed up with you. It's bad enough that I'm way too good for you. I believe it's true. You're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true. You're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere whenever we're
Alright you all, so here is the completed beautiful look. What do you all think? Oh my, I am so in love. Again, another beautiful style right out of the box. You all saw it for yourself today. This is totally about to be my new favorite color of all time, you all. Oh my, look how beautiful this number 4 chocolate brown color is looking on my melanin. You all. I am super duper obsessed. I've always wanted to try chocolate brown hair, and you all, I am so glad that the wait is now over. Look at it. Look at it. I'll wait. I'll wait. Gorgeous, okay? Initially, I was going for like a side part, you know, my usual standard deep side part. But then upon playing with the hair, and you know, lately I've been loving my half up, half down looks, I said, let's go for it. So without doing my wispy bangs, let's go for like a side part long kind of swoop bang style and the half up, half down look. And I love it. Very easy to create the style today and manipulate. And then I just added some nice, you know, wand curls to the unit, to the bang here, and to my pony, of course. And I'm in love with it, you all. Yes, yes, yes. As usual, I added powder in my lace, but I forgot to add powder in my part, so let's do that quickly together. And then we're gonna blend that all out with my sponge because I don't like when it's too harsh. There we have it. Look what a difference it already makes. I did my standard 2 swoops of sideburns here, a little bit longer than usual, and 1 baby hair swoop here. I didn't do the other over here on my temple just because it's not going to be seen, so what's the point? Save time, save product. I feel like this 22-inch is a perfect length. Definitely past my bust area, especially if stretched or worn in a straight style. I absolutely love Tinashe Hair. This is not my first or second time working with them. Their hair and the quality speaks for itself. If you ever want to try colored hair, a number 4 auburn copper type of chocolate brown color, now's your time. I hope this video gives you the confidence and the goal that you need to try color in your life, ladies. So I hope you enjoyed today's install. I'll be sure to leave this unit directly down below in the description box at your convenience, as well as all the other products that I used in today's install as well. I would love to thank Tinashe Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous, awesome bomb unit and for sponsoring today's video. So please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. And you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.